Hello friends, this is Sumit and I welcome you all to the brand new episode of Sex Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friends, whenever we face any medical or health related problem, what we do? We share that problem with our family or with our friends, right? But whenever we face any problem which is related to our sexual life, we don't share it with anyone. Rather, we try to hide it. And for this reason, we have started this special sex educational show called Sex Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friends, this is one of its kind platform where you all will be able to share your questions related to your sexual life and Dr. Vijay Dahifale will solve your problem in a very positive manner. But before starting the actual talk, let us all know about Dr. Vijay Dahifale in detail. Dr. Vijay Dahifale is very famous sexologist, urologist and andrologist. He has his clinics in Aurangabad, Hyderabad, Delhi, Dwarka Sector 23, Pune, Nerul in Navi Mumbai, Dadar, Andheri, Kalyan, Nashik, Ahmedabad and Dubai. Dr. Vijay Dahifale frequently travels in India and abroad for seminars and conferences related to sexology. So friends, now that you all know about Dr. Vijay Dahifale's various clinics, we have a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Dahifale has recently started his new brand clinic in South Mumbai and specifically in Kulaba area. So you can definitely visit his Kulaba center and take positive consultation. Now let's start the show. We have doctor here with us. Doctor, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much, Sumit.
Doctor, we are speaking about sexual dysfunction.
Yeah.
And sir, due to public demand, you always select a topic which is always asked by public.
Yes, sure.
You have received a lot of questions on your email. You have received n number of questions on your WhatsApp as well.
Sure.
And sir, even we are getting a lot of questions on the videos that we always share on various social media platforms like Facebook and YouTube.
Yeah.
So sir, due to public demand, you have selected very important topic, that is sexual dysfunction and orgasm.
Definitely.
So sir, my first question is, sir, what is orgasm? Please tell us.
Yes, definitely. Sumit, in this series of sex education, sexual awareness and sexual safety, you are seeing different entities of sexual dysfunction, different anatomical parts, its scientific information, and today we are going for seeing this orgasm. Before that, I want to give one disclaimer: time, place, person, condition, culture, safety, consenting, and our own and known partner. So orgasm, why we should understand? Orgasm is a word which you can call that when you get a sexual urge, and at that time you are behind to get the satisfaction, to achieve that satisfaction point either in male or either in female. And when you achieve that, then you feel a very properly relaxed body with the hormonal changes, and this is called as orgasm. And how it makes the changes, we will see one by one.
Definitely. Sir, then what is relation of orgasm and hormones?
Definitely. See, this is dependent on each other. When you are performing sexual activity or any type of masturbation or using any type of other activity, in such a cases, why this occurs, why you get that feel, why you get the satisfaction, there is the release of hormone called as oxytocin, release of hormone called as DHEA, dehydroepiandrosterone, such a type of hormones, they relax your body, they relax your that part, pelvic part. Then in males you get a ejaculation, and in females you get a contraction of a pelvic floor. So definitely it is related to the hormonal changes and hormonal release. That's why you feel the satiety and satisfaction.
Definitely. Sir, regarding this particular topic, I would like to ask you a few more questions, but we have one caller on the show. We have Tushar from Nagpur. Can we take that call?
Sure, definitely.
Yeah. Tushar, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Tushar.
Sir, can we get orgasm due to masturbation?
Okay.
Excellent. Sumit, this is the beauty of our show.
Right, sir.
Means everyone feels that just by doing the sexual activity in a vaginal or penovaginal manner, they are getting the orgasm. Even they are asking, with masturbation also, is it possible? See, I am telling always that within the limits things are normal. You are using rough hands, you are compressing it very highly. What happens with such a thing? Your prefrontal cortex learns that, and later on you get a loss of interest from your real partner in given situation. If you have proper lubricant, if you are using a proper pressure, if you are using a legally or proper tie, in such a conditions, if you use it scientifically under the guidance of sexologist, urologist and andrologist, definitely you can achieve that orgasm, but in limits and with a supervision or with the guidance of specialist.
Definitely. Sir, again coming back to our question and answer. Sir, what is this Master and Johnson's 4-phase model? Sir, please tell us about this model.
Definitely, it is some of the very scientific question.
Yes, sir.
Basically, how that position of erection goes. First occur excitation, then that excitation is maintained, that erection is maintained, that is called plateau, and then you have performed for 5, 10, 15 minutes, and then you are ejaculating or your pelvis is getting contracted. That is the orgasm, where what we are discussing here. And then after that, that all blood is going back, the penis is becoming flattened, it is getting resoluted. That phase is called as a resolution. So your sexual activity goes through all these 4 phases, and out of that, orgasm is one of the most important phase, where you get a satiety, satisfaction to male and female. And what I always used to discuss, the benefits of sexual activity, you only get the benefit at the end of orgasm only, by normal way, normal method, and with proper consenting and with your known and own partner.
Definitely. Sir, what is effect of orgasm on mortality specifically? Please
Correct.
tell us.
Now this you have given me of benefits of activity. See what happens due to your regular activity. If suppose you are performing twice a week, and there is one study where they are performing once or twice in a month. If you are performing regular activity, in that activity definitely your mortality rate or your life extends, and not only simple life, quality life.
Okay.
Because due to constant activity, hormonal changes occurred, blood flow is supplied to heart, nice supply goes to brain, you come back from depression also, you develop your personality, you go away from allergies also. These are multiple combinations. That's why your longevity and quality of life increases, and definitely mortality comes down.
Definitely. Sir, we have one more caller
Yeah.
on the show. We have Sheila from Goa. Can we
Definitely.
take that call?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Sheila, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
What is the effect of orgasm on menses?
Excellent.
Okay.
Like males, females are also interested. What are the benefit? What I
Yes.
was discussing now.
Yes.
Men say so many females get a painful menstruation. They just totally get fed up with that bleeding and all these things. What happens by this activity? Again, I am telling this frame is important. And in that cases, what happens due to activity, due to release of hormones like oxytocin, DHEA, that all flow is relaxed. Even uterus is also contracted and relaxed. And when the flow is occurring, the flow is also squeezed out. Even the rate of flow also reduces. The duration also flow is reduced. Different type of cramps what they are getting due to this muscle contraction in the pelvic area, that is also relaxed. So, by doing this activity regularly, you are this type of pain in the muscles, pain during menstruation, and it again helpful for your normal delivery also, and to avoid the seizure also. See, these much are the big benefits of such orgasm.
Definitely. Sir, we are talking about orgasm.
Sure.
So, sir, what is effect of orgasm on specifically prostate cancer? Please tell us.
Yes, very important. See, there are carcinogenic agents which are secreted and that are causing the cancers. Those who are doing 10 to 1 times ejaculation in a month, means male person doing 21 times ejaculation has a much more lesser chances of getting prostate cancer. So imagine friends, if you are getting such a benefits and you are in your given frame, if you are performing your activity with your partner consent like this way, and those who are doing once or twice in a month, there is a much more factors which can lead to carcinogenesis. So with this frame and regular activity, at least touching to 21 times, definitely reduces the percentage of prostatic cancer.
Definitely. Sir, one last question,
Yeah.
but very important question. Sir, what is effect of orgasm on heart diseases? Please tell us.
Excellent. Means your lifestyle is changing, your longevity is increasing. Why it's increasing? Health of the heart muscle pumping, the oxygenation going to the heart. This is most important, the blood flow going towards the heart, and the hormones which are relaxing the heart muscles. Definitely they help to prevent heart disease and heart attack also. So friends, be in your limits, be in your frame, and do this activity to live nicely in a quality manner.
Definitely, sir. Thank you so much for sharing all this valuable information. But sir, due to time constraint, we have to stop here in this particular episode. But definitely, we'll meet in one more episode with interesting topic and interesting information.
Yeah.
Yes. But friends, you can also take Dr. Vijay Daifale's consultation. There are various contact details available right on your screen. And there is a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Daifale has recently started his new brand clinic in South Mumbai and specifically in Kulaba area. So you can definitely visit his Kulaba center and take positive consultation. Well friends, it's time to stop here. Thank you so much.